Right, start again. There's my bike. So, this was the white horse, a crazy horse, Hacker, the bunking donkey. Aye, the bunking donkey. Well, he's moving. Holy jamoly, he's certainly moving. Well, there we go. Always wear a helmet when you're out on your bike, ladies and gentlemen, and you can look as good as I do. Oh yes, indeed. So, there we go. The bonking. Well, I'll always remember it, the white horse, and bit of the floor there, look. The old entrance. And in the back there, sort of somewhere over there, I would have thought, was probably one of the smallest pool rooms I've ever known. But there we go. That's what it looks like now. Oh, it's nice to know the smoking ban's still in place anyway. There we go. That's all for Wolfie's roving reporting today, this morning, whatever day it is, Saturday.